The returns on two investments X and Y follow the joint PDF fxy equals K. Find the maximum value of variance Y given X equals R, as R is between -1 and 1. Now, this joint density is constant. K is a constant, therefore it's uniform. And so for any fixed value of R here, we're fixing X is equal to R. So for any fixed value of X, the conditional density of Y given X equal R will also be uniform. And we know that for a uniform AB variable, one-dimensional, the variance is b minus a squared by 12. So this shows that the greater the difference between b and a, the greater the variance. Now the region of the given PDF is shaded below. Remember, region is absolute x plus absolute y is greater than 0 and less than 1. So this region is this diamond, except the origin. So, I mean, strictly speaking, we should remove the origin from here. So let's try shape. So let's try to construct origin here. And let's shrink it. But the thing is that origin is just a single point. Even if you had forgotten to remove the origin from here, it wouldn't change the answer. It's a continuous variable. And okay, so let's see. Okay, so I think if we just get rid of this one. This looks like a good way to remove the origin. Okay, so this origin is removed, and this is the absolute x plus absolute y is less than 1 is this diamond. And we see from here, remember, we are fixing an x value and we are trying to find the maximum variance of y given a fixed x value. So, and as we see from here, the variance will be maximum if the difference in the y range will be the maximum. So for any fixed value of x, because now once you fix the x, the function just becomes a function of y. And along the y, you see that the maximum possible interval you can cover along the y is -1 to 1. And that happens when x is equal to 0 or r is equal to 0. So in that case, so that's what we have mentioned here. When x is equal to r is equal to 0, range of the conditional PDF becomes y between -1 and 1. Yeah, -1 to 1. And therefore, this is the largest interval. As we can see from the picture, in this shaded region, you cannot construct a bigger interval for y than y between -1 and 1. And therefore, the variance is b minus a squared by 12. So 1 minus -1 squared by 12. Yeah, this is b, this is a. And that's 1/3. That is choice C.